Hey there everyone, welcome back to Brainy Kids Point. Sat Shri Akal ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. As we all know, we have started English learning series for kids and beginners. So this is a part 4th of this video series. In our previous 3 videos of part 1, 2 and 3, we are completely done with the vowel A and its worksheets with all its families, and in introduction of vowels and consonants are also there in part 2, and link of those videos I'm gonna paste in the description box. Kindly check from there. So now today we are going to start the next vowel, that is E vowel and its families. So बच्चों, you can see इत्थे ਆਪਾਂ लिखिया होया है, दिखा दिया E family. सब तो पहला तेरी sound ਆਪਾਂ पढ़ांगे. Sound of E is A. So children, before proceeding, I would like to request you all kindly practice about the phonic sounds of all letters. So first E family is ab. Sound of E is A, B, ab. So words are f, ab, fab, w, ab, web. Next, add family. Kindly make a quick view. B add bed, f add fad, l add lad, r add red, t add ted, w add wed. Next, egg family. B egg bag, l egg leg, p egg peg, egg and g makes egg. Next is L family. B L bell. Sound of C is k as well as s. Sometimes C pronounced as s, and somewhere we will pronounce this C as k. So here s plus L is sal. F L fell, h L hell, s L sell. Here sound of S is s only. T L tell, w L well, y L yell. Next, N family. E and N. B and ben, d and den, h and hen, m and men, p and pen, t and ten, y and yen. Next, at family. B at bet, g at get, j at jet, l at let, m at met, n at net, p at pet, s at set, v at vet, v at vet. The sound is V is v and sound is W is v. V at vet and v at wet, y at yet. And the last X family. L X lex, R X rex. आज हम आप फटाफट इन्हां दी वर्कशीट्स कर लिए. बच्चों, मेरे को कुछ वर्कशीट्स सॉल्वड ने, बट आप उन्होंने फिर भी डिस्कस करते हैं. एड फैमिली तो आप स्टार्ट करते हैं. वर्कशीट्स जो मेरे को अवेलेबल ने, इन्हां चों आप आइडेंटिफाई करना है एड वर्ड्स नूं. लाइक ब एड बेड, then f add fed, l add led, w add wed, r add red, t add ted. And we will write these words over here. Bed, red, fed, dead, led, wed. Okay. Next here again, the words are airplane. Bed, fed, dead, wed, red. अच्छा, अपन इन्हों लिखते हैं ब एड बेड, फ प्लस एड फेड. ये अपनी स्प्लिटिंग है. ल एड लेड, ट एड टेड, वो एड वेड. एक साहिब जोत ने ऑलरेडी फिनिश कर रखी है वर्कशीट. नेक्स्ट वर्कशीट अगेन मैचिंग दी आ गई. रेड, देयर इज रेड फ्लावर. वेड, वेडिंग हो रही है. फेड, फीड करा रहे हैं किसी ਨੂੰ. फेड इज पास्ट टेंस ऑफ फीड. तो तुसी इत्थे वर्ड्स नूं लिख दोगे और नाल ही ना कलरिंग तुसी इंजॉय कर सकते हो. तो रेड फ्लावर हो जाएगा. ओके, अगेन एड फैमिली दी वर्ड्स दी पिक्चर्स दे नाल मैचिंग. ट एड टेड, वो एड वेड, फ एड फेड, र एड रेड एंड ब एड बेड. एग, ल एग लेग, प एग पेग, ब एग बैग. And we have written these words over here. Now identify egg words like b egg peg, b egg beg, egg, egg, leg. Okay, there is no more word of egg family. Again, leg, bag, egg, and bag. Matching. Next family is L family. You have to find the words of L family. First one is yell, hell, fell, bell, tell, sell, and well. Do it alphabetically, beta. I am doing randomly because time doesn't permit. L. Again, you can see worksheet has been solved. Tell, sell, well, fell, bell, yell, tell, and the words are written. Now we will fill one letter to make a meaningful word over here. First, see the picture and write the letter to make a complete word. So this is T. We will write T and T L, tell. S, L, sell. W L, well. B L, bell. F L, fell. Again, here we will write one word. Bell, L, sell. W L, well. F L, fell. S L, sell. Matching. Fell, bell, sell, well, tell. Next is N family. N family words are B and ben, M and men, T and ten, H and hen, D and den, P and pen. And the words are written over here. Ben, den, hen, men, pen, ten. Here in this worksheet, look at the picture and write the missing letter to make a meaningful word like B and ben, T and ten, H and hen, M and men, P and pen, and D and den. This worksheet here is splitting and writing of the N family words. B and mix ben, D plus N we have to fill over here, and we'll fill den word over here. H and hen, M and men, P and pen, T and ten. Men, ben, den, hen, ten, and pen. Matching. Again, there is a reinforcement of N family words. Hints of letters are given. You have to pick one letter each, and after looking the picture clearly, you have to fill the missing letters to make a meaningful word. Like first we fill D. Like den, ben, ten, men, hen, pen. Next family is at family. The words are S at set, L at let, P at pet, N at net, M at met, W at wet. So words are written. You can see. Again, in this reinforcement of at family, we have to fill one letter as done in previous worksheets. G at get, J at jet, M at met, N at net, P at pet, W at wet, and VET, W at wet. Matching. Met, get, wet, jet, pet, wet. And the last again, at family. B at bet, P at pet, G at get, L at let, W at wet, N at net, M at met, and S at set. We will fill the words. B at bet. After B it's C, D, E, F, G. We will write get. G-E-T, get. After G it's H, I, J, K, L. L at let, L-E-T. L, M, M at met, M-E-T. N at net, N-E-T. N-O-P, P at pet. Q, R, S, S at set. T. U, V, W, W at wet. So here our E family is completed, finished. This is the mixed bag, matching of fed, leg, red, egg, bed. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video with the next vowel, that is I vowel.